it's been a hiatus for me for a while, but this is Urban Botanica Inc. As you recall, I'm Esteban Perez, and today I'm talking about the environment. I am in the middle of Pisgah National Forest here in North Carolina, and I'm talking about taking care of the environment, our environment first. And sometimes we have to get into the environment to get away from our regular routine, on the hustle and bustle, work every day, and take it to this tranquility, getting back to mind, body, spirit, relaxation. And that's what I'm doing actually right now. And always remember, we have to clean up and pick up everything we leave, use, you know what I'm saying? Because no trace. You know, I got to this campsite and I had to actually pick up trash, food, and everything that was left here by previous campers. So I'm gonna leave it clean for the environment itself and for campers that come and use this exact campsite. So check it out. You know, I'm making, some fried eggs, camper style. This is probably my first time, but it's working. Got me a slice of tuna right here, trying to get it in. I know I've been away for a long time. Even I get trapped into the whole, stresses, and my job right now is stressing me out. And I had to take it to this, to just center myself. And, naturally, the core of what I am is about peace and love. And anytime I have friction, anything that causes me stress, I have to find ways to get back into, alignment. And that's what I'm doing today, this weekend, alignment. So that's what I wanted to give y'all. I'm gonna try to put little clips of my trails, the adventures. Probably later on gonna go down to Sliding Rock, and I'm gonna definitely document that and put it on the post for my viewers. All right, peace. This is Urban Botanica Inc. Esteban, showing y'all environment is important. You know what I'm saying? The environment was created first. We just got placed in it second, or actually fourth. After animals, after everything else. So that's what we need to be cognizant of, man. You know what I'm saying? Taking care of the earth, what we were created from. You know what I'm saying? All right, peace.
9 times out of 10 I win.